opening some 3 eggs. So let's get started. There? Okay. So we're gonna be opening this one first. It's a cute little fox. Sorry about all the mess. It's my mom. I don't know why this is messy like this. I don't really care. Okay. Next, we're gonna be opening this big one. Look, it's a cute little bag. It's a little puppy. I can tell it's a puppy because it's by the ears. Look at this glittery one. So glittery. So nice. The last one, this is just a quick video. Oh, it's a pink one. My favorite color is not pink. My favorite color is purple. It's very good. Here, yeah, my favorite color is purple. Here, we have is a little puppy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute.